let's get started talking about my plans and traditions for the holidays. If you are new here, hey, my name is Jay and welcome. Today's video is a collab with some wonderful content creators here on YouTube. So be sure to check out the playlist of all the plans they have for the holidays. The host is Melinda on Melinda's Messy Sink, so be sure to check out her channel. Along with today's video, I will be going through my Christmas decor. So my Christmas planning usually starts the day after Thanksgiving, but in the past 2 years, my family has wanted the decorations up a little sooner. On Thanksgiving, a tradition of ours with my hubby and my kids is we go to the Thanksgiving Day parade. We get hot chocolate and sometimes we may even purchase breakfast, although I'm not sure if we're going to be purchasing any breakfast because breakfast has gotten a little bit expensive. So we may end up making something instead. Once we're home from the parade, some of the family members may take a nap or they may do some other things around the house. This year, we will be hosting Thanksgiving Day dinner. My son will be visiting from Indianapolis, Indiana. The next day for Black Friday, we may go out if there's something that we have in mind to purchase. If not, we start our Christmas shopping later. The days leading up to Christmas, we just continue shopping. This year for Christmas, my family is going to Indiana to visit my son and his beautiful wife. We plan to stay there for a few days. In the past, we would host Christmas and the kids would open up their presents on Christmas morning. We usually keep the decorations up till the first of the year, then begin the takedown process. This time can be a sad time almost because after months of Christmas decor, the house seems so empty. Well, I hope you enjoyed hearing my plans and traditions for Christmas. Thank you, Melinda, for hosting this collab. Be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist of all the other ladies that will be sharing what their plans and traditions are for the holidays. Well, I appreciate you all stopping by to check out my video today. I hope that you will stick around to see the rest of what I unpacked with my Christmas decor. And I hope that you will also enjoy the rest of the video as well as the music. If you are new here, I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom. And on my channel, I create content such as cleaning, decluttering, and organizational type of videos. If that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Well, as I mentioned before, I truly appreciate you watching my video today. Don't forget to check out Melinda's channel, as well as the playlist that will be linked in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.